From the beginning of time, man has always had a pursuit of the best quality of life possible. That quality of life is not possible without resources. The form of resources we have accumulated has changed over time from cowrie shells, state-controlled money, precious metals, real estate, and stocks and bonds. Over the past 100 years, the world has been dominated by the US dollar and its reserves. But everything that has a beginning also has an end. A new financial revolution is upon us with the emergence of a digital economy. The way we earn, spend, and accumulate resources is fundamentally changing. A new asset has appeared that the wealthy have overlooked. Bitcoin has become the best performing asset of the past decade by far. With only 21 million ever in existence, there are more millionaires and billionaires in the world today than there are Bitcoin. Just by holding 0.25 Bitcoin today will put you in the top 1% asset holders in the world in the next 5 to 10 years. If you would have invested $100,000 in Bitcoin in 2013, today it will be worth more than $15 million. Bitcoin billionaire Raoul Pal says, Bitcoin's performance is so dominant and so all-encompassing that it is going to suck in every single asset narrative dry and spit it out. Never before in my career have I seen a trade so dominant that holding any other assets makes almost no sense. This is not an industry you can afford to ignore. If you want to remain in business, then you must adapt. Are you offering services in Bitcoin? Are you accepting payments with digital currencies? Have you adopted blockchain technology? Blockbuster Video at one point was the most dominant video service in the world. They had the opportunity to be part of Netflix, but they ignored the changing technology. Where is Blockbuster today? Where will you be tomorrow?
All right. Ooh, long one. That one. All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Early Morning Crypto Talk. Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. Thank you for taking time out of your schedule for being here. There's so many other things you could be doing with your time on this Saturday morning that it is appreciated. And I promise you we'll keep this short and sweet, give you enough information about crypto, about Ivy League Crypto Academy, if this is a community that you want to be a part of. Normally, I do my crypto talks only for the Ivy League Crypto Academy, but on Saturday mornings, I open it up and do them for everybody. Everybody gets a chance at least once a week to get some crypto news and updates. But Monday through Friday, it is just for the Ivy League Crypto Academy. And if you're not part of the academy, you can still participate in the crypto talks just by registering. ilcachallenge.com. ilcachallenge.com. So let's see, who do we have on the line, and type in the chat box where you're listening in from. As a disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I read the news, give my opinion, share suggestion, and it is up to you to make an informed, intelligent decision on what direction you want to move into. So I see Faye from Temecula. Good morning. Marnita Casa from Colorado. Herschel Crow from Texas. I think that might be Janelle from Colorado. It just says Facebook user. Another Facebook user. Good morning. Good morning. Deborah. Good morning. Kevin Strausser from Georgia. No electricity. What's going on in Georgia? What happened? What part of Georgia, Kevin? So yeah, but no electricity, and you're hopping on the crypto talk. Appreciate it. Much appreciated. Oh, I don't have my light on. That's why I'm a little dark here. All right, there we go. Let's see. Yashika from Georgia. Yashika, do you have no electricity yet also? Christine from Northern Illinois. Brian from Birmingham, Alabama. I see a Facebook user from Detroit. Deborah from Colorado. Jacqueline from Atlanta. Facebook user from Las Vegas. Stan T, Michigan. Facebook user, Fort Worth, Texas. Okay, I keep reading Facebook user. I don't. Oh, I'm streaming everywhere, so I don't know exactly where you guys are listening. Okay, so Jared from Nassau, Bahamas. Welcome. Suzanne from Delanco, New Jersey. Oh, Kevin's down in Athens. Maria, hola. And Athens, Georgia. I live in Crawford. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on in the market today, and let me refresh these, and also share screen. All right, so what's the market telling us today? Pretty much almost flatline. Down slightly, 0.2% in the last 24 hours. 1.8 trillion market cap. Bitcoin dropped slightly in dominance, 40.6%. Thank you, Maria. Yeah, I feel much, much better. Good morning, Sasha Brown. Ethereum is at 17%. So pretty much flatline for Bitcoin. 0.5% up for Ethereum. Tether's flatline. BNB's up 1.3. Ripple's up 8.7 in 24 hours. Up 11% over the last 7 days. Marion from snowy Pennsylvania. Snowy, we're in March. Luna down 2.6. Dots up 1.8. So the top coins, no major movement except Ripple. Had an 8.7% bump. So the best performers is Ripple, number one, 8.7%. Frax share is up 8.2. Down 20% the last 7 days, really. Monero's up 7.2. Chili 6.2. Wave 6.2. Stellar 5.7. Gate token 4.1. Basic attention 3.8. Theta fuel 3.6. Convex finance 2.5. Okay, so worst performers. Stacks, after going up 19.8% in the last 7 days, it's down 7.7. Omi is down 7.2. Celsius, Terra Luna down 2.6. Near Kusama, Airweave. So not much movement in the last 24 hours. So let's take a look at secondary portfolio. I don't think there's going to be much movement from this, but let me open it up. It should be down slightly. That says down 35, but let's go straight into, yeah, down $23. Terra Luna down 2.56. Tezos went up 1.4. Axie Infinity 1.4. Immutable up 3.8. Phantom up 1.8. I bought these two the other day, so at least those are in the positive. I definitely need to increase this. I need to get this one up over 1,000 ASAP, as well as Matic. So I should have my $1,000 token should be Chronos, Luna, Sandbox, Solana, CRV, Matic. Let me add it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Cosmos, Axie Infinity 8, Avalanche 9, and then I'll figure out which other one I want to have. Maybe Tezos, since it's already sitting there. I might splurge. I'll see. End of the month, I might spend 5 or 10,000 and buy more, just to give it a boost. All right, now let's look at the meme tokens. So Vetter, how many of you guys are making a killing on Safu? I'm seeing that popping up everywhere. Provis one who brought it over to me. Vetter, it is down 0.63%. Saitama, whoa, up 11.11. Saitama. Okay. So we're trying to get back to there. But we're still a far ways off from here in early March. Wakanda, up 0.82. Toys, even though it still says up, it's still flatline, not that much. Oh, we still have a huge drop from here. This one might be a dead token, period. It tried here. We'll see since February and March. And then green, down 7.7, but it's almost at half a penny. So we got a bump up here. Okay, so let's see what's going on in the news. Solana co-founder reveals what's in store for the top altcoin project. Says Sol is beating rivals in this metric. Okay, so we'll learn more about Solana. Top crypto analyst ups bearish sentiment on Phantom. Okay. I just bought some of that. Ethereum, Solana, or Avalanche. Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary outlines his crypto investment strategy. Yeah, what's your strategy? Analytic firm says whales are quietly accumulating top Ethereum-based altcoin project. Ripple price explodes. Oh, that's why. After judge issues ruling against the SEC? I did not know that. Massive route. Okay, I want to start with this one. Ripple. Good morning, Facebook user. XRP price explodes after judge issues ruling against SEC. The price of the crypto asset Ripple is surging after a federal judge ruled that Ripple can proceed with one of its central arguments against the U.S. SEC. Court documents show Judge Annalisa Torres has denied the SEC's motion to strike Ripple from using a fair notice defense. What is that? The San Francisco-based payments company has long argued that the SEC did not give Ripple adequate notice that the agency considered Ripple to be a security. True. XRP has jumped 15% in the last 24 hours and is at 84 cents at the time of publishing. In an interview with Fox News, Ripple General Counsel Stuart Aderati says the order highlights the validity of Ripple's argument. Good morning, Tony. Today's order confirms that there is a serious question as to whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distributions of Ripple since 2013 would ever be prohibited under the securities laws. That is true. We will continue to fight hard in defending this case so that the industry can get the needed clarity it deserves to move forward and thrive. I agree with that statement. Good morning, Barbara Bibbs from Sacramento. Barbara, cousin Barbara. In addition, Judge Torres is denying Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larson's motion to dismiss the SEC's individual charges against them. Alderati says he remains confident that the SEC's allegations will be dismissed. It's good to hear from you, Barbara. I haven't heard from you in a while. While we would have preferred the cases against Brad and Chris to end now, the court has decided to make the SEC prove its claims. We are confident that ultimately all of the SEC's claims will be dismissed. That will be huge. Okay, next up. Do I want to quote this one today? Yeah, I'll quote it later. Solana co-founder reveals what's in store for the top altcoin project. Says Sol is beating rivals in this metrics. Solana co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko is unveiling how the smart contract platform is outperforming competing Ethereum challengers. In a new interview with Circle co-founder and CEO Jeremy Allaire, Yakovenko says that the number of active daily users on Solana exceeds that of other smart contract platforms, such as leading altcoin Ethereum and layer 2 scaling Polygon Matic. Solana has about 2 million monthly active users, and we're seeing daily active users sometimes break what Polygon and Ethereum are seeing, like 300,000 or so daily active signers. That to me is a really important metric because it signals that there's more real human activity, more people doing something on this chain that's valuable to them. That's really exciting. Yakovenko says that Solana's goal is to have as many developers and entrepreneurs launch their products on the blockchain network as possible. He lays out the path that he believes would see Solana one day reach a staggering 100 million users. All right, so when I'm in Miami, when I'm going through the booths, I'm going to be seeing if I start seeing a lot of Solana projects. I'm going to see what the pattern is. Is there Solana, Ethereum, Matic? So the thing we are actively trying to enable is allowing all these new entrepreneurs to launch their projects, launch their products. What I want to see is if we actually hit 1,000 teams building something in the hackathon, 10,000. Can we make this even bigger? Because if that's happening, if you actually get to a point where there are thousands of devs building something, then the 100 million users are just around the corner. You cannot stop that wave. Solana is exchanging hands at 81.20 at time of writing, a 10% decrease from its it's a 7-day high of 90. Where's our Solana position? Right here. Okay. Let me make a note of this. To increase 312. Increase Solana current price. $81.95. All right. Top crypto analysts. Ups bearish sentiment on Phantom and Bitcoin. Here are his targets. A popular crypto analyst and trader sees severe downside risk for Bitcoin and smart contract platform Phantom. Starting with Bitcoin, pseudonymous cryptocurrency analyst Capo tells his 247,000 Twitter followers that the bearish structure of the flagship digital asset is intact, despite Bitcoin temporarily managing to rise above the $40,000 mark. Bitcoin, despite this bounce above 40,000 price, is still ranging between 33,000 and 45,000. Bearish structure intact. Main resistance 45 to 46K. Main target 21 to 23,000. Really? This is Capo, right? Saying this. He thinks this is going to go to 21,000 to 23,000. Bitcoin is trading at 39,400 time of writing. A move to Capo's main target represents a downside potential of over 40% for Bitcoin. According to Capo, his downside target of around 23,000 for Bitcoin is in line with the 38.2% Fibonacci level when measured from the 2018 bear market low to the 2021 bull market top. Here, wave C is 1-to-1 of wave A, a matching with the 38.2% retracement of the move from 2018 low. Next up is Phantom. He's not saying when, though, that this is going to go that low. Next up is Phantom, a smart contract-enabled scalable blockchain. Capo is mapping out a bearish scenario for Phantom in the coming months, as long as the crypto asset continues to trade below $2. FTM update, targets revised. First target, 60 cents, expecting bounce from there. Second target, 20 cents, only if it can't reclaim the $2 level. You think this is going to drop to 60 cents? Huh. So he's really going bearish on those. But here's the thing. If he's going bearish on Bitcoin to 23,000, the entire market's going to drop. Every coin. I'll see if I see any other analysts speaking the same type of language. Ethereum, Solana, or Avalanche. Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary outlines his crypto investment strategy. Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary is unveiling his strategy when it comes to investing in the top altcoin projects by market cap. In a new interview with CNBC's Squawk Box, the famed investor and entrepreneur says it's impossible to nail which of the leading projects will win out in the long run, as their development teams are all extremely talented. O'Leary says his strategy is to own them all. That is kind of what I'm doing here. You know, instead of with the secondary portfolio only focusing on like 5. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We're up to 31 tokens. That's a lot more than what I wanted to. My height was like at 20. We're at 32. All right. Own them all. Mentioning Ethereum, Solana, Helium, and Avalanche by name. The whole point is you don't know who's going to win. Is Ethereum going to win? Is Solana going to win? Is it Helium or is it Avalanche? I own them all. Luckily, they're all just software development teams. You go meet these people and you find out they're in their 20s. They're the smartest engineers in the world. Where do you go to meet these people? Expos. Events. The business magnate who was once a crypto naysayer says that 20% of his crypto portfolio was now comprised of digital assets. I have millions of dollars 20% of my portfolio is now in cryptocurrencies and blockchain. That is a big jump because, back in the day, these type of guys only had 1 to 3% in crypto. Now he's talking about 20% of his portfolio is in crypto. Back in October, O'Leary said 7% of his overall portfolio. So look at that. Just last October, he only had 7% was in crypto. Now he's bumped it up to 20%. O'Leary, who recently met with Republican Senator Cynthia Lummis of Wyoming and other U.S. lawmakers to discuss crypto regulations, also urges legislators to quickly adopt a regulatory framework for crypto or face the risk of falling behind other nations. I agree with that. The Canadians are more advanced. What? Canada? The Canadians are more advanced. The same thing with the United Arab Emirates and Switzerland. We are so far behind in policy for this nascent industry that's going to lead the world of financial services. We've got to get going. I agree with that. We've got to get going. That's a good article. Someone sent me something that looked interesting. Oh, yeah. Because we covered the other day about Bitcoin ATMs declared illegal in the UK. Herbalife suspends operations in Russia. It's not really crypto news, but that is interesting news in the networking space. And Blockworks.co. So Coinbase rolls out test of no-fee trading. All right, nothing I want to really hop onto right now. All right, so that is it for Crypto Talk for today. I told you I was going to keep this short and sweet. Saturday, we do it free for the rest of the world. But if you want to continue to be a part of Crypto Talk, because the next one I do will be on Monday, then go to the link at the bottom that's scrolling, ilcachallenge.com. Where is my, okay, ilcachallenge.com. You can register for free. And we have a 5-day crypto challenge coming up. 5-day crypto challenge. Let me pull this back up again for those of you that are unaware. And even if you've gone through this before, ilcachallenge.com. This is what you're going to see. Get the tools to drain the swamp in financial trading. The 5-day challenge, March 21st through the 25th. For 1 hour a night, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific, you're going to learn some basics of what crypto is all about. Like, who is Satoshi Nakamoto? How the blockchain works. Why do we need cryptocurrencies? Unlocking cryptocurrencies and the path to becoming a digital currency billionaire. That's right. So just go to ilcachallenge.com to register. If you are invited by somebody else, they will give you a link, a promoter link that you can use to register. On top of that, on April 6th through the 9th is an event in Miami Beach, Bitcoin 2022. Join Jordan Peterson and over 35,000 Bitcoiners in Miami. So I will be here at this event. Access to sound, money rooftop, pitch day access, industry lounge and networking, sound money fest, day 2 main event. Isn't there a party too? Yeah, Saturday night. So we're going to be here. And again, like I always say, I come here to learn and network. Who can we meet? Who can we talk to? So this is going to be the next thing up. And coming up soon is our 5-day challenge. So that is it for Crypto Talk for today. I will be doing a Crypto Talk tonight. But tonight is only going to be in the Ivy League Crypto Academy Facebook group, streaming. So it's only going to be streaming in our Facebook group. So you've got to register. ilcachallenge.com, ilcachallenge.com, and register for free. You're going to get an email with a link to our Facebook group, because tonight I'm going to cover this information. Digital dollars for online tea. So we're going to cover this tonight, and that will be at 10 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Pacific. That's why I call it Late Night Crypto Talk. Late Night Crypto Talk. And this is from the International Monetary Fund. So I need to learn to see what is the banking world preparing to do. What are they about to roll out? You notice this doesn't say cryptocurrencies for online tea. It says digital dollars. What are they about to do? So we're going to read that tonight. So with that, take care, everybody. I will see you all tonight, those of you who register for free. And take care. Bitcoin Brandon out. Bye-bye. Who gave me an angry face? Oh, that's Herschel Crow. He hit the wrong button. So we'll see you guys tonight. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.